Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to assemble Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Before proceeding further, let's first of all take a look at some important tools and parts required for this process, and they are EST plastic tweezers, disassembly stick, screwdriver, anti-static gloves, anti-static mat, window pressing jig, window pressing pad, battery pressing pad, torque wrench for force 0.6 Newton, torque wrench for force 1 Newton, tape barcode refer assembly disassembly guide. Let's begin the assembling process. Assemble the sensor FPCB. Attach tape conductive CU sheet sensor on the sensor. Remove protection vinyl. Assemble vibrator. Attach the receiver tape. Remove the protection vinyl. Assemble the receiver. Remove protection vinyl from the battery. Assemble the battery on the bracket. After attaching battery tape, apply enough pressure on the battery with finger and thumbs. Place the pad on the battery. Put the device into window pressing jig. Press the window pressing jig with force 0.6 Newton for 5 seconds. Please note, do not apply pressure on battery more than 5 seconds to prevent display damage. Release the handle and take out the device from window pressing jig. Assemble the sub-PBA on the bracket. Tighten 4 screws. Assemble the ear jack on the bracket. Tighten 1 screw. Connect ear jack connector on the sub-PBA. Connect sub-PBA connector on the main PBA connector. Place the main PBA on the bracket in proper position. Tighten 1 screw. Connect all connectors on the main PBA. Align the coaxial cable and connect it on the main PBA. Connect battery connector on the main PBA. Assemble the rear case starting from bottom to top. Attach sponge battery tape. Tighten 15 screws on the rear case. Assemble the fingerprint sensor module on the rear case. Attach the back glass outside tape on the rear case. Attach the back glass inner tape on the back glass. Attach the fingerprint sensor tape on the back glass. Remove protection vinyl. assemble the back glass on the rear case. Put device into the pressing pad and press window pressing jig with force 1 Newton for 1 minute. Release the handle and take out the device from window pressing jig. Now assemble SIM tray in the device. At last, do the final inspection. So, this is how we can assemble Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.